In this video, I will show you how to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. On the Android operating system, you are logged into Messenger. In order to log out, we need to return to the main screen, where the Messenger icon is located. Next, we must tap on the icon and hold until the application menu appears. In this menu, we tap on the App Info item. After the application information page appears on the screen, we tap on the Storage and Cache section. Next, on the Storage page, we tap on the Clear Storage button. In the confirmation window that appears, we select Delete. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. After this, we can return to our application. As you can see, we are logged out. On the iOS operating system, you are logged into Messenger. In order to log out, we need to return to the main screen, where the Messenger icon is located. First, we need to remove the application from the device. We tap on the icon and hold until the application menu appears. In this menu, we tap on the Remove App item. In the confirmation window that appears, we tap on the Delete App item. Also, in the next confirmation window, we select Delete. The Messenger app will be removed. Next, we open the App Store. Go to the Search section and enter the name of our application in the search bar. Once we have found it, we will download and install it. Let's open the application. As you can see, we are logged out. Thank you for watching.